Oh wait, y'all. We are going to be doing a tutorial on this. This is the multi-stick. It's the Wet and Wild Calm Waters. So it has like this nice blue to it. Doesn't it now? And this is just my little buddy right here. Just a little figure I made. Her name is Yogala because like she does yoga. Duh. So yeah. Very good luck. Just gonna put it right here. Alright. Stay right here. Here we go. Alright. Righty. We're gonna get this open somehow. Some ASMR for y'all. Because ASMR is awesome. Alright. Plastic surgery consultation went well. Well. Yeah, it went very well. Alrighty. Now this thing that spins, I need to open that part too. It's the thing that makes it spin around. You have to open that. There you go. Look. There's the thing that makes it spin around. We can adjust that like that. Very good. Alright, so we're just going to go under the eyes first. No, let's do it on top of the eyes, okay? This is very pigmented. Even more so than the popular. That's good. I feel this is also like softer than the popular. It's like really good. Now I'm gonna do the other one. It's like smooth like butter, you know? Smooth like butter. Alright, so I'm gonna go like here. Right here too. And going like this. This looks even more like 80s makeup than my last video. Alright, now I'm gonna create this upon the eye. Awesome. Now I'm gonna create this part on the eye. It's really nothing to it, I guess. I'm just gonna go right here. And again, this is the Calm Waters Color Icon Multi-Stick by Wet n Wild. Okay, now I'm gonna do this to... Got it. In this part. Awesome. Oh wait. We are not done yet. Looks like we need some more right here. Cool, perfect. And we're just gonna close it up. Looks like it's as close as it can be. So just gonna snap it back on. Alright, awesome. Say hi. Good job. Alright, now I'm gonna get this other stick right here. And by the way, y'all, those Belvitas were so gross tasting. I'm gonna show you real quick. These Belvitas, they weren't gross tasting per se, but they had mold in it. They had mold. There was mold in the Belvitas. I ate one yesterday, but I noticed the mold today. I mean, the one I ate yesterday, I thought, it can't be mold. I thought it's just, you know, it's just some dough at the bottom of the chocolate chip. But I looked at this one, and this time it was white instead of, like, a beige color, so... Gross. I think I got a refund on that, hopefully. Because, like, I bought 6 boxes of it from Amazon. 6 boxes, y'all. 6 boxes. They expired in August. I should have known. Anyway, we're gonna add some right here. And this is the, Wet n Wild, breakup proof. Wet n Wild breakup proof. And this is the 0.01 millimeter felt tip eyeliner. I'm just gonna go right here on the eyes. This will create good contrast. Go on that waterline, precious waterline. Awesome. Just gonna go again like so. I'm just gonna go again like that. I'm gonna create a little cat eye look, you know? Is that what we do? That's what we do. It looks like some got on the brush. Some of the blue. Interesting. Oh, ow. Oh wait, gotta go like here, too. And right here. Gotta do this side too. Let's clean off some of that blue. Awesome. I'm just gonna create some fake lashes. Awesome. Sorry, y'all. Spam call interrupted me. Alright, anyway, I'm gonna add some right here. Cool. Let's add some right here too. Awesome. So it's definitely looking blue. See how I'm there. Alright. Cool. Now let's go draw some on this right here. I'm just gonna make an eyebrow, okay? Alright, we're gonna create another one. Right here. And now, you're going to ruin it. This blurs it a little, so it makes it more realistic. Awesome. Cool. Alright. Now we're going to create some fake dimples. Just gonna see where my real dimples are at. And use that as a guide. Cool. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Then we're just gonna create a circle. Cool. Now we are complete. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye. Wait. Some blue we have to clean up right here, right? Awesome. Thanks for watching.